despacio subí niveles, ando en las nubes. Una Mojave y flores y dulces, para las morras improvisamos. Y si la pienso que se suben, es que si soy una oveja negra, ando sin rumbo en la carretera, traigo una cita para forjar.
Oh, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have to come do a little work out here in the yard. It's a little outside the city. Kyle Javi, came with Javi, my two brothers. We're about to go get, we brought out the toys, so we're about to go get content with the Shelby Raptor, and the TRX is over there in the back hiding. But yeah, we had to come do some work, and so we brought out the toys too. But there's a little brechita out here out the back, in the back of
El arroyo, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty sick. A ver si hay agua. Last year around this time there was water, and we brought out the razors.
We already got some pump in the system too, no?
Yeah, we got food. Hey, we got more.
We're gonna get active right now?
Yeah. But yeah, guys, we're about to take out the toys, see what they could do in the brechita.
The weather's fucking perfect.
It's a little cold, but
How's the truck looking?
dale, Lalo.
Mira, perra.
¿Sí, no? Hay que llegarle ahorita a la brecha antes de que baje el sol.
Simón.
¿No se atora?
Si quema o no quema acá.
Te da puta piedra, a Shelby Raptor. Wow. How beautiful.
Guys.
We kinda missed the memo. We were supposed to go riding, bro, but work duty's called, so I brought the Super Duty. And
Now, got the Shelby, and then we got the TRX in the back. You can't see the TRX. Mira, look, guys, we're on the grind for real. Look, we're out here on the Ruta 98. We're uploading a video. The grind's real right
and
now.
the Super Duty look like a boat. Look.
Si jala esta madre o no?
Carnal.
Look at the Shelby, guys.
Yeah, for bumping that shit.
Oh, you hear
Where
that
the
shit?
fuck going? Where's that man going? Oh, that shit look hard, lucky.
Yeah.
Or low.
She crying. The llanta, yeah.
Agarra vuelo.
Wow. What if he comes out forward?
What is wrong with the TRX? What the fuck is wrong with the TRX?
Too much aire weight on the tires.
The air.
A la verga. Me iba a romper el hocico.
Don't video right there. ¿Is it like that? I'll buy a Ford. The blue truck does better here.
Yeah, last time we brought the blue truck, that shit went through everything like nothing. We actually did burnouts in that shit.
Alright, I'm gonna go over there. No, fucking maybe.
Guys, I think this one has too much air, but Lalo said he's gonna back up all the way over there and he's gonna go a little fast. But that one, I think has a little too much air right now.
Hey, but ask him how is he gonna do it. Is he gonna pass us or is he gonna stop right before us?
I think he's gonna pass us, bro.
So we could get out of the way. I'm not trying to. Hey, fuck it. Life insurance, cash it out.
Hala, Sila. Halo, halo. I did like that, like broski at the show. Remember when I put his food?
Neta.
Trash ass lips, no? Nah. We are trying to go up on reverse too, huh? What the
Yeah.
fuck?
What?
Don't stop spinning. Hold on. That one's not spinning good. Guys, these trucks are letting us down, bro.
Ah. Look, guys, this is what $100,000 gets you.
Shut the fuck up, Javi. Dude, we're literally, we have like 100 psi on the tires. Come on.
Yeah, nah.
Last time we went to, okay, remember when we went to Pismo with the Chinita?
Oh yeah.
Everybody was getting stuck because of the air pressure. Shut the fuck up, Javi.
Nah, play.
Nah, you have to go up straight.
Let me teach him how to drive.
Hey, how does the tierra taste? Hey, yo.
Let me go up with the Super Duty.
Oh yeah. Look, guys, brought the Super Duty too.
It's because we didn't get the memo, bro.
She's a champ.
Nah, it's
though.
because we had to bring 2 pallets. And I tried bringing the Chinita to
Nah.
fit them, but the
Nah.
Chinita, we would have fucking
We would have
went
flipped.
out the freeway and shit.
Yeah.
Guys, let us know where we should take these trucks to. Right now, it looks like they're not working.
Yeah,
but
but-
it's because of the tire pressure.
Yeah. Hey, let us know in the
If you guys
comments.
are- if you guys are in the LA area,
Yeah.
or like,
IE.
alright, fool, stop the camera. Nah, just kidding. Keep it going. We're not embarrassed to show it.
Nah.
We don't even offer like that. Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we do.
Is it air PSI? Trust me.
Fuck it though.
What was I saying? Oh yeah, if you guys have good spots where we could take these trucks to, let us know down in the comments.
Hey, where's the team at? Hey, let's go out for the team. Who's watching? Valen verga.
I was.
Look, a la verga.
I think we should stay away from racing, burning out, off-roading. Maybe we should just stick to work.
Just stick to shows. We should just stick to parking them. Right there looks fire.
Hell yeah. But then there's 2 of us. Bro's confused. Look at him. Let's go hide out 4 high.
True. This angle's insane, bro. We just came for the pictures.
It's the air, bro. Shit is like fucking 150 psi.
Wow, who's that cute guy?
Nah, it's air pressure. Hey, we gotta stay away from racing. We gotta stay away from burning out. We gotta stay away from off-roading now. We can't do
Hey, we're just gonna stick to parking the trucks and shows.
Yeah. Why?
Nah, it's a tire pressure.
Nah, yeah, it's
Everything
too.
was happening to us at it's literally the tire pressure. You're gonna think yourself in on that.
W content out here though. W photo shoot.
But you're gonna say to not post it.
Don't put what? Why?
Look, what if
It's a tire
you
pressure.
go? I feel like right. If you go more forward, right there, it looks
I guess
solid.
go get the F250s better, no? Esa güey no se rajan.
What if I go up with that shit right now?
I don't
You
know.
guys
Esa
saw
güey sí
these?
sube la verga, güey.
Yeah.
No, pero el pedo, la llanta, we have a lot of air, fool.
Yeah, they do.
But that shit looks like the suspension obviously is better on the Raptor, no?
Yeah.
The TRX is supposed to perform good, but
It's a tire.
Yeah.
If you lower the tire
If you
pressure
lower
to
the tire
like
pressure?
15%, 50 psi, but obviously we're not here to ride. But that
If
shit
you
will
would,
go.
yeah, that should go like nothing.
no sé, solda.
Honda.
A la verga.
Verga,
Se-
este
se
man está
vino-
moviendo el-
Hey, se vino Hurricane Milton.
Guys, so we gotta show them how to ride on. Pause.
Who?
No. Pause.
Oh, what are you saying?
My brothers don't really ride like that, guys. Pause. I'm gonna fucking say pause. No Diddy.
No, did he?
We gotta show them how to drop PSI.
A ver.
They got this. They got this. I believe I got it.
Oh, light work. I shouldn't have said anything. Nah, I got it.
He's digging himself in.
It's because he needs to get speed, wait.
Why does she sound so forced? Oh, mom, should I go up with the Super Duty right now, bro?
Show him how it's done, look here.
Nah, it's a tire pressure. I'm gonna tell you guys 100 million times. It's a tire pressure. Watch. The comments are gonna let us know. It's a tire pressure. It's a tire pressure.
B-Locks for the win. For the loss, I mean. B-Locks for the loss.
B-Lux for the L.
Shit.
They look sick, bro. Doing nothing. I think the trucks are gonna go up. That angle is a little easier.
Yeah, look, I think Lalo's actually gonna try it.
Yeah. You guys are gonna go up there?
Orra.
Oh, they're coming up.
You guys hear that?
Bro think that they could just go up at 1 mile per hour. You gotta get some speed, brothers.
They don't know how to do that shit, huh? The unks. The unks don't know how to use the toys.
There you go.
There it is.
Nah.
He had it. He's losing his momentum.
I can't get no fucking two-wheel drive ZR2. What up with sliding?
Huh? Bro had to make sure.
Alright, go up a little bit. Go up to this way, look.
Bro, honestly, look. No. Look, you see where Lalo's at?
Yeah.
Well, if he were to literally come in a straight line and gas it,
I know. Go to your. Hold on. The fifth though.
facts.
Dale así a la verga. Alright, go. Písale, písale. Go back.
Come on, Unk.
Alright. Hold on, let me get. Oh, no le aflojes.
You gotta keep going.
No le aflojes.
You gotta keep going. It'll work.
Dale más para acá.
You just go this way, yeah. Mr. George, the new guy, no good.
Guys, don't worry. We're gonna get them right.
I gotta check if the Super Duty's still there. Yeah, it's still there.
Oh, you think the video uploaded?
I don't know. I don't think so. Oh, fuck, don't you need to keep it awake?
Yeah. Why is it not shifting? Why is it not shifting? You have it on first?
Bro has it on first.
I actually got scratched already.
Yeah, just seen that. I went
Huh?
like that. Me chupé los dientes.
Guys, is this a failed video?
Question mark? 4x4s on the trucks don't work, not clickbait.
All you do is that, guys. Dale, 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 dale.
Don't let go, don't let go, don't let go, don't let go.
Oh, you guys can't be scared.
They're scared, huh? Nah, I mean, I would too, shit. Oh.
¿Cómo se siente? It's sliding. Hold on. Oh, this way, look. Hey, hey, hey. Other way, other way, other way. I'll see. Go back.
Chut.
What the fuck are we getting ourselves into, fool?
Yo cuando miré que ya no, yo dije, a la verga, I'm already going to the crazy with this. Fucking Super Duty, how high did it go, remember?
¿Ah?
Pues, ahí está bien.
Oh, shit. Tu fucking B, perro.
Sí, güey.
Yeah.
Sube una foto nomás, ponle fucking up the $150,000 truck.
Nah, yeah, la verga.
That shit leaking something grave in the bottom, look.
AC.
Is
It's
it?
the AC, yeah. And it was tilted.
Fucking up the $150,000 trucks.
So together.
Imagine racing, no lo hacemos, ¿ah? Pues sí. Oh, es que estaba peligroso, güey. You could tilt so easy, güey.
Yeah. Nah, shit's loose as
Racing,
fuck.
crash pedal.
A la verga.
Guys, so it was a failed ruta. Well, it's not even a ruta, it's just a little fucking back.
It was a little video photo
The
shoot.
thing is, unks are not used to this, and they're not used to.
The unks.
Chop.
No, bro, we don't watch out.
Shift it. Shift it. Oh, shift it. Make sure it shifts. It's not shifting. That's gonna blow the engine. Oh, nah, no está haciendo.
Nah, not on here.
You see it on the road better, not here.
Fucking unks.
We'll get a ruta going, actual one. Whenever unks stress levels are lower and we lower the tire pressure. The unks stress levels are a little higher than the tire pressure right now. So
a thousand
and then
PSI.
Younger unk.
Younger.
Don't worry, we'll bring it back. If I have to drive them, I'll drive them. If I'm flipping that shit, I'll flip in that shit. It don't matter.
Todo tiene solución menos la
La
muerte.
muerte, mi amigo.
No pasa nada. El que no arriesga, no gana.
¿Qué onda, broski? ¿Por qué no fuiste con nosotros a la ruta, güey?
¿Cuál?
Ya. Verga. Oh, you're taking off the old tire shim, ¿verdad? Allá en Palmdale, a la ruta.
Pues, fíjese que. No, ni voy a decir. Tronó el motor mío, ¿verdad?
¿Otra vez?
Sí, güey.
Tercero.
Sí, va para el tercero. Todavía no lo he agarrado.
Ah, ok.
Luego, pues, se le cayó un ring. La llanta se quedó ahí. Pero el ring se cayó.
Nah, ya, la verga.
Pues andaba.
My guys, broski's washing the. Todavía le falta el tire shine and the rims, pero he's washing the Shelby Raptor.
This guy.
But yeah, guys, as you guys seen, we went out to the ruta. It wasn't even a ruta like that. It was just a little arroyo that we went to in the back of over there by our yard. And we took the baby Shelby Raptor and the TRX. And obviously they didn't perform how we thought they were, but it's because of the PSI. We know it's because of that, and we're still gonna upload this video just because people are gonna talk shit either way. But I mean, we know what these trucks could do in reality. But make sure you guys stay tuned. We have a lot of content dropping this week. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys join the giveaway. Let's go check out the giveaway. Yuppie. We have new merch coming.
Where the hoodies at though?
We're about to go do that right now, brother.
Oh.
We're gonna go get some hoodies done. We're gonna get new hats. And then, ¿qué más? New shirts. New design. Pero, look guys, this is the giveaway. You guys seen it many times. But make sure to get your entries. Finalperformance.net. Anything off the website will get you entries. Wait, no, hold on. Hey, where you going? Hello, man. Need an interview with you. What do you think of the trucks out there? How'd they perform?
Which one?
The Shelby Raptor.
They did good. They did okay. No más que the PSI was high.
The PSI was high.
It's because it was just one thing that we're like, oh, let's go.
And we were in a hurry. It was like a 10-minute.
Yeah, it wasn't, it wasn't like, oh, yeah, we're gonna go prepare, lower the air, and then we take a compressor to, boost it up again. Pero it's just, to have fun.
Yeah.
Uno
de estos días vamos a ir y le vamos a bajar todo el PSI para que miren cómo sirve más.
No, si sirve. You can take this one, you can take the Bronco. All those trucks, si jalan todas las trocas. Any truck that's 4x4 will do it, Pero pues, no íbamos preparados para lo que era.
Yeah. But like I was telling the people, we're still gonna upload it so they can see. It was a fun time. I mean, even getting stuck is fun.
Yeah, we're not here to cover, the goods and the bads. We're here to show everything that happens around here. So,
But yeah, guys, I start a giveaway. Make sure you guys join. Finalperformance.net. We got new merch coming. So show this out, bro. We got new merch coming. So stay tuned for that, guys. Appreciate all the support. Everybody who shares the videos, everybody who even drops a like on an Instagram post and everything. But yeah, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Look.